Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I hope everyone is doing great. And as I told you guys, this week actually we're not gonna go on our live session, as I'm spending my time testing my robot. Actually, it's the new robot that is coming out. Actually. So yeah, we're gonna restart resume actually next week, right? So yeah, I hope maybe things will be great. By the way, yesterday we did actually eat in the market. Unfortunately, we were not on a live session. So for those who wants to maybe receive the signals, you can try my signals. You can check the service packages on the screen. You can just smash that pause, and then you can actually see what's really happening there on the screen. So for those who want to talk to me, they can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. Yeah, and the robot I think will be available by next week. If not, I will just update you. So yeah, let's see what's really happening actually on the market. Let me just put this in the right side. So what's really happening here is, as you know, I started with Bitcoin. Yes, the market is still actually on a very nice downtrend. The market is still downtrending. So the reason I like actually trends is because they can stay longer on this trend, and it makes our job very easy, as we already know that, okay, we will just look for what? Sell position, maybe for even 3 months or maybe more, because we've run this thing for some time now, you see. And even if maybe we also had some counter trends lines, yes, they were just continuing with the trend. They were just actually respecting the trend. So what we see here is the market is still struggling to break, but it seems like the market is about to break that area. But what I like is, yes, the market actually is actually ranging around that area, as we have a support and resistance on top there. So we can call that actually a wedge. The market is just playing like that. So we expecting the market to push, maybe to break this support to the lower side. If not, it means we will see a breakout on the top, on the resistance side, and we will see the market starting to do what? To recover. And I think that is something that everyone wants, right? So let's see what's next. What's next? Okay. So yeah, now we are on German 30, German 40, German 30 DAX. So what's really happening here is the structure is still quite the same. But what I see here is, I can say, yes, we are still on that downtrend. We are still on this downtrend, even though the market just rejected and tried to push the upside. And yes, we did take something out of that. If I go closer there, maybe you will see, let's make this auto. Maybe you will see that, yes, we were able to make something out of this structure. You can see after the breakout, actually, we managed to have a buy pending order, even though the market is no longer pushing like aggressively high. The reason behind that is actually there is a resistant line on top there. So actually the market is still on downtrend. So anything can happen anytime. So be careful. If maybe you bought, just know that we're not going to just hold longer, because there is anything because the market is still on a downtrend. So it means the market can still push lower. So but we had a very nice structure here, a resistant, it's a counter trend actually, or inner trend line, which was pushing the market to the lower side. Then when we check, we had a very nice structure. After the breakout, we knew that, you know what, we're supposed to take that a quick buy, and we took that, and we just did a hit and run, and we were able to run very nice. So on this one also, it's gold. For those who trade gold also, in the group we did actually smash this one also yesterday. So what's really happening is the market just broke out of that downtrend. Unfortunately, I saw the market a bit late, but at least we were able to do what? To take some few pips. And even now, if they are still holding, yes, they were actually going to still eat. So yes, now maybe the market wants to try to push the upside. Maybe the market wants to change the trend, as the trend was doing what? The trend was actually pushing down. This was a downtrend, and once we see a breakout like that, we call that a breakout, which means the trend is changing, which means if we were on a downtrend, which we were only selling, now we will just look for buy positions. Simple as that. We don't really have to complicate things, right? So let's push to the next one. I'm a bit fast, guys. Very, very fast. So now actually we are on US oil. US oil was also actually everything's been trying to recover, guys. So much stuff trying to recover, which means dollar is getting a little bit weaker. So that's why we see the other markets actually trying to push up. So what we see here on US oil was the market was pushing very nice, actually down. We call that downtrend. The market was going down as we just keep selling. We're not saying that the trend changed. No, we're not saying that. But what we did was a hit and run. Actually, even here, I got it late. I was supposed to get in around this area, but it's fine. We got it around this area, and they are still eating. We know very well that the market can still push lower, like very quick. Remember, this Friday we have NFP, so there is so much stuff that can happen that can push the market to the downside or maybe to the upside. That is possible. So, but for now, what we can do is, as we just took a small like hit and run, it's fine. I think we don't really have to fight the market, especially when we know that we are on a downtrend. And when on a downtrend, you know we're expecting to sell. So it means around these levels, we will be expecting to sell. Plus, we also have something around this area. Around that area, there is something that we can look at, and then maybe the market, but it seems like the market will be reaching that resistance on top there. So it means that will be a very strong resistant. So yeah, I'm still looking for a sell, but yes, we can still take that hit and run by position. But don't try this at home. If maybe you don't really understand what we're talking about, just relax. Don't try to fight the market, right? So what's really happening on US30? US30 is quite straightforward also. The market is it's on a very, very, very nice actually downtrend. I think everyone can see this. The market has been pushing. Maybe this will be another touch coming around this area before we see another sell. Yes, we also did smash this one yesterday. I think everyone actually did it yesterday. So that's why we say when we lose, it's not like it's going to be every day. So actually yesterday's signals, all maybe more than 4 signals, they were both in profit. They were all in profit. So yeah, what we see is, since the market was going down aggressively, the market also created something that we can call a ranging market around there. So after that, the market actually broke out here, and we thought maybe the market was about to keep or about to sell again or to continue with the sell. But guess what? The market did not keep it that. The market actually changed very fast, very, very fast. Guess what? When the market pushes up, especially on a downtrend, we don't really buy here on the support. We can buy on the resistance. When the market is breaking that resistance, it shows that maybe I'm no longer on that momentum. I'm no longer under that pressure, sell pressure. Now I'm pushing to the upside. Guess what? We did the same. We were able to buy. I have a buy pending order there. You can see there is 4 hours time frame. We were like 50% in our profit, which means this can be TP1 and then TP2. Remember, we are still on a downtrend. It's not like maybe we're going against the trend. We just hitting and run. You hit and you run. You hit and you run. So it means, yes, I'm expecting anyone. Obviously, I expect that you already ran actually. So I'm not expecting anyone to hold here, even if the market can push up. But the thing is, we don't know. We don't have to guess. Yes, the market can still push up, but we don't really have to guess, right? So yeah, there's a chance that the market can push up and push lower again. But that we will see that. Let's wait for the market to do its thing. We don't really have to guess. The market will show us everything because we wait for the market to act, then we follow. That's why we have the structures. So yeah, let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. So what's really happening here is we are on NASDAQ. Very nice structure there. So what's really happening is, yes, the market is still on a very strong, very simple, straightforward downtrend. You can see that. But down here, guys, we also see the same structure that happened on US30. We still expecting the market to push lower. According to the structure, according to this downtrend. But since the market is breaking this resistance, we call that hit and run. We can hit and run very quick. But on NASDAQ did not give us some serious profits, but we expecting the market to still push a little bit higher. We expecting the market to push a little bit higher. It seems like maybe we're gonna have another push, maybe, but maybe halfway here we can get out. You see, we can get out. If maybe we're still holding those positions, I think, yeah, we can get around maybe, let's see, around 11,750 or 11,740, so something like that. So I'm expecting maybe the market to reach there. Yes, the market won't just jump and reach this area. The market can still consolidate. But what I want, or what I know, is we are still on a downtrend. There is a possibility for the market to turn anywhere, and to go lower, or maybe to break this area before we say maybe we are now changing the trend. But for now, as the market is still respecting the trend, we can just follow the just follow the structure. For now, we just hit in and run. Don't get it confused. Don't get confused here and say, Kenzo, why you buy? And we are on a downtrend. That is a hit and run. With the strategy or with the rules, we don't really have to do that. But we know that, okay, there is enough chance for the market to push up. So we can take that as we have experience. But if you don't just wait for the market to reach here before going down, or before the market is gonna push to the upside. So let's see. So for those who wants to be part of the team, if you want to learn from me, if you want the signals, guys, those are the packages. 250, it's a lifetime that will come with the robot. Actually, if you want the robot. So if you want 12-month signals, that's $150. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, share the videos if you want, guys. Share on your YouTube, on your Facebooks, Telegram, whatever, for other people to find the channel. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.